Now that we've got the vehicle raised and supported, remove your center cover, remove your lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Now that the wheel's off, we have a clear view of our tie rod system here. Just going to spray down this portion right here. A little bit of penetrant and right there. Let that sit, do its job. Once you've let that sit, grab this jam nut, break it free. Remove your outer tie rod end nut. Put that back on a couple threads, a couple loving bonks right on the knuckle. Remove the outer tie rod end and count the amount of turns. 1, 2, and so on. Take note of how many turns you took. Fully remove your jam nut. Remove your outer clamp. Remove your inner clamp. Grab your bellows boot, twist, and pull. Grab your inner tie rod, give it a twist to the left. Let's remove this. If this spacer came out, make sure you put it back on. We have our new inner tie rod end. I'm a firm believer in using a tiny bit of thread locker. Once you have this started, just bottom it out and then tighten it up. All right, that bottomed out. Let's give it a teeny bit extra. There we are. Now it's time to put in a little bit of grease. We're just going to use the majority of this packet, but not all of it, and I'll show you why. Take a little bit of this grease and come right along this area right here. That's where that bellows boot's going to ride. The alignment professional is going to thank you later. Your new bellows boot's going to come with 2 wire ties. You just want to get those started on here, and then we'll put it up onto the vehicle. Slide it up and over. Put this side up onto the rack. Okay, let's tighten this up. It's pretty tight. Tight. Trim the excess. Dispose of it properly. Tiny bit of copper never sees. Install your outer tie rod end. 1, 2, and so on. Take your nut, start it on there. Bottom out the nut. Torque your tie rod nut to 63 foot-pounds. Tighten up your jam nut. Straighten up the tie rod. Nice. Get the wheel up on here and bottom out all your lug nuts. Now when it comes time to torque the lug nuts, there's 2 things to remember, whether you have the regular charger or if you have the police edition. If you have the regular, you're going to torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. If you happen to have the police edition, go ahead and torque them to 140. Here we go. Torqued. Grab your cover, give it a loving bonk and a shake.